The sunrise here is magical. It looks like a postcard. Ben, look over there. Today is the big day. We're going to Lake Bled. Yes, I've been waiting for it. It's a perfect spot in Slovenia. Wow, it's prettier than the photos. Okay, let's rent a boat and row out there. Wow, look at all those lily pads. It's like the lake is wearing a green blanket. Agreed. This lake is so calm and peaceful. They reach the church island and walk up to the church. There was a tour guide there, and he said, "This church is picturesque. That is located on a small island in the middle of the Lake Bled, which is surrounded by crystal clear water. This church is known for the bell tower that they called Wishing Bell. If you ring the bell and make a wish, your wish will come true." Nice! Let's do it! I've my wish ready. They ring the bell together. Okay, but I'm officially hungry. At the lakeside cafe with cake and coffee on the table. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy, creamy inside, and the crunchy topping makes it perfect. Definitely. With this view and these cakes, I could sit here forever. I can't believe it. Our last day here. This trip went by in the blink of an eye. I feel the same. Now we're heading home with a suitcase full of souvenirs and a ton of memories. Seriously, this was the best trip ever. Honestly, Slovenia totally stole my heart. Yeah, Slovenia keeps blowing my mind. First Koper, then Ljubljana, and now Bled. This is definitely one of the best vacations we've ever had. Surely, I'm posting this straight to YouTube with a bunch of heart emojis.